This brand is made in Canada by Fireplace Products International, which is a part of Nibe Group, and the inserts are backed by a very good warranty, but they are only sold through a limited dealer network. The units feature large windows for viewing the fire with an airwash system to keep the glass clean, as well as a 2-speed blower to distribute the heat throughout the room. The Alterra CI1150 model is a non-catalytic insert, which means it requires less maintenance but has a lower burn efficiency than catalytic models. It has a 55,000 BTU heating capacity with a 70% efficiency and modern styling, while the classic i1150 model has a more traditional look and feel to it, and the classic i2450 model has a 75,000 BTU heating capacity with a 67% burn efficiency. The Cascades I1500 model uses catalytic combustion technology and has a variable speed blower, as well as a 55,000 BTU heating capacity with a 77.7% efficiency, while the Cascades I2500 model has a 78,000 BTU heating capacity with a 76% burn efficiency. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.